Whenever we're traveling, I like to bring along some of these extension cords because as you're sitting at a table like this, often you'll have maybe one plug like this lamp is offering, but we can go underneath the table and just plug into the wall. And that's what I'll do. On this side, we have a nice grounded outlet, and it's flat. It also angles down, so it's inobtrusive. It has a pretty long cord, but it's a flat fabric cord, so it binds up pretty good. When you're traveling with it, you'll get 120 volts down the side. You also get grounded outlets here, so 6 total, 3 grounded, 3 normal, and then you get some USB-A's and USB-C's. What I also like about this one, let's say you have a light or a fan attached to this, there's a switch right on the side, so you can also use a switch to this without having to reach down and unplug it all the time. Now, if you're not traveling with it, you can also mount it permanently. I really like this unit. I hope this helps.